Hello everyone, this is Prashant and you're watching MS Pilates where we simplify Pilates exercises. The show where we simplify the fitness in a way that's simple, practical and easy to understand. So Reformer Pilates workout looks like all about the machine, but in a reality, it's not. It's all about the control, balance, strength and smart movement. So what exactly is a Reformer Pilates? A Pilates exercises which are performed on a specialized machine called Reformer. It has foot bar, springs, pulleys and the carriage. What exactly the function of it? It gives you the resistance and assists you at the same time, which means it challenges your muscles and guides your body into a correct alignment. That's why it's safe for the beginners and equally effective for the advanced practitioners. It's not just about the flexibility. Many people assume that Pilates is all about the flexibility or the stretchings, but the truth is it's all about the full body strength workout. When you change the springs, you change the resistance. Suddenly it feels like you're lifting weights, but in a controlled and a joint friendly way. Prashant, the movement looks simple, but my muscles are burning. Exactly, Reformer activates the deep core muscles. Usually we don't activate in our regular workouts. Who benefits the most? Honestly, everyone can benefit, but especially people with the back issues, people with the knee pain, people with the hip issues, an athlete who wants to perform better, a prenatal, a postnatal, anyone who prefers the low impact exercises. So the Reformer offers a smooth and a controlled movement, just mindful and a precise work. So what results can you expect? With a consistent practice of twice or thrice a week, you can see a noticeable changes in a 3 to 4 weeks. A stronger core, improved posture, tone and the leaner muscles, low back pain, improved coordination, improved mobility, better mind and body connections. But more than that, you start moving better in your everyday's life. Climbing staircase becomes easier, sitting for long hours becomes pain-free and your walking posture naturally improves. So can senior citizens try it? Absolutely. The best part about Reformer Pilates is it adapts you and your instructor will change the spring as per your fitness level. So there is no age limit and there is no prior fitness requirement. So in my studio, we have senior citizens, we have athletes, we have beginners doing their Pilates Reformer comfortably and effectively. If you're looking for a workout which is smart, safe and scientifically designed, then Reformer Pilates is a game changer. So that's all for today. And if you like the content, please share it and follow the podcast. Thank you.